Hello dear viewers, today I will show you that's how you can create YouTube channels and earn money. Just write YouTube and browse here, any browser, just browsing, and whenever you need a Google account, if you have a Google account already, sign in, and here I am going, just select here your USA, here USA, United States locations. I am selecting United locations, and by that way my channel will be located in United States. Okay, so here you need a Google Gmail account. By that way you can create it, and now this is very easy. Just click here, and after clicking here you can do that very easily. Okay, so you have to go your account and type here your channel. Just go to your channel to customize. Here go to your channel, and whenever you come to channel you can click customization the channel. This is very important for customizing channel, and you have to create brand name. Here we can give a name. This is our email names, so we can give a brand name here. You just go to the YouTube creator and continue. Whenever it's continue you can change here. So first time we have to go the YouTube channel art and YouTube profile. Okay, for the reasons we came here. Whenever YouTube creator you can click here, just click in these options. Whenever you click in these options, the time it will be open automatically. What happened to do that's time? Yeah, welcome to YouTube studio, and here there is a three options you can choose, and also all time here three options you can choose, and also edit and delete, many different things. For the reasons we need Canva. Canva is worldwide known. It's a very free. You can use the Canva, or another way you can use the Photoshop. So we are using a Canva YouTube channel art. Whenever you click YouTube channel art, there are various types of YouTube channel arts, but you have to choose, or you can create your own YouTube channels. Okay, so I am taking for that my channel is Health is Wealth. For that reasons I am taking that kinds of health or wealth related YouTube channel art. Okay, for the reasons I'm searching here, some are paid and some are non-paid. We are taking non-paid. Okay, for the reasons I am searching which is creative and which is will be best for me. For the reasons I take these, and I just whenever it's and around and given the name, type your name, your YouTube channel's name. That's okay, and easily you can anyone can create YouTube channels, but you have to create very fantastic way that anyone can come in your channel. That time they will be think that this channel is really channel art is beautiful, and for that reasons they visit your channel. So here is a very important part, because that's you have to earning some money by creating a channel. Mind it, and all time do the best works. Also you can hire a freelancer at Fiverr within $5, but I think that is not necessary for beginner. For the reasons you can create here, I am creating and showing how you can create easily. I hope this will be help to you. So I am creating that and going to hurry because the video will be otherwise it's long. For the reasons, and the time it will be boring. Okay, so here I am linking my website. It's a free blog post website. Here I am health is all. All I am here posting health related. So here we can go here we can paste it and we are creating a thumbnail. Though if this will be not set up in your YouTube channel or in channel banner, that time you can change every which is be suitable, which is will be very fitting in your YouTube channel art. That time you can, by that way you can download it. I'm downloading. Okay, whenever download is completed, that time I'm go to the customize channel, and here we can see here I click here my profile, and here is it, channel customizations, and we can click here. This is these options you can click. Whenever this option you click and select that file, which file we already look here in desktop. Here will be showing not full over the customizations, the profile picture or the banner art is not coming totally fully. For that reasons you can change it. So here I am showing you that they're not fully come. For that reasons I have to change it. So hurriedly I can choose this and I can take this. It's a free, you can choose it, anyone can choose it, and I wanna paste it my profile, and that there's a fitting with my Health Wealth YouTube channel. Okay, here our channel is now totally ready for uploading the videos and the contents related. Anyone can do this, and also here you can watermark. You can click here, upload the watermark, and we are choosing this time to subscribe. Okay, done. Okay, now our channel is fully here entire video. I choose the entire video. Here you can watching. That's totally our channel is now ready to upload the video. But whenever you can use the thumbnail, whenever you use your own thumbnail, that time you have to verify your phone number. Without phone number, we go to the settings and go to the here is a USD, it's a general things, and whenever you go to the another features, you can select it United States. Okay, I'm selecting United States here. I'm selecting United States, and here you can write the very important things. That's your text with the channel name. Here you can select no, it's not made for kids. If you select kids, that's for you, and above this one is enable. Whenever you click here, the YouTube company will be told you to verify your phone number. So this is very necessary. Without verify your phone number, you cannot create your thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. So here is a very easy. If you have US phone number, you can give it, or otherwise if you the other countries, so select the other countries phone number. So I skip this process. Anyone can do that. So now our channel is 100% ready to uploading any kinds of health well related videos. So here I writing health well on your biographies, or you can write many things here. I just write here, just simply doing and completing the YouTube channels. Okay, you can add your link, your website, different kinds of websites, social medias, and many things. Okay, if you add this link, the link will be shown in the YouTube channel art, banner art, and the right side of the channel art. Okay, in front of you, or if you back side, you can this link will be go to the YouTube banner or channel art left side. So here our edit one. Okay, whenever you refresh it, you can watch this in your YouTube channel art the right side. Okay, and maximum 5 or 6. social media or your website you can add here. Okay, this is very simple. So our channel is ready. Next time I will show you how can you upload the video. Here is the website. So please subscribe my channel. If you have any comments, just comment me and subscribe me and share my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video.